Hey guys, so I figured I'd make a quick video on this. My FZ50 Petcock here is pretty complicated and I can't really find one online. I'm sure I can if I looked long enough, but I figured I'll give it a chance and try to save this one. So I guess you can just watch the process of how I attempt to fix it. I haven't really tried yet, but here we go. So something I didn't cover in the video is that this circular bracket that goes around the switch actually has a bow in it. You need to make sure that the bow is facing inwards towards the petcock. Here I'm installing it wrong. The bow is facing me, so it ended up resulting in a leak. You'll see me use a flathead here to kind of bend it inward. Just put it on right. Don't have the bow facing you. So you're gonna want to make sure all your hosing is going on the right one. It does say on the back. I don't think you can really see that, but yeah, there it is. So here's where I realized that I messed up and had the bow facing outwards. You can kind of see the bow. I'm putting it inwards towards the petcock.